Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you all how I installed and styled this curly bob wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. So this unit was sent to me from OMG QUEEN, and they sent me their Pixie curly lace front wig, and I'm just showing you all how the package looked when I first received it, and I'm gonna show you everything that was inside the box. Here I'm just showing you all the inside of the wig, how it's constructed, and as you can see I have arrows pointing to the lace. I'm just showing you all how much space you have for parting, but that's okay because I'm gonna show you all like how I made it work, okay? So inside you have 3 combs at the top, and you also have an adjustable elastic band, and you also have a long comb in a nape area. Here I'm just showing you all the hairline, and as you can see, like the knots, I'm not sure if the knots was bleached or not on here, but I do know you have that option. So I'm just going to bleach the knots to my liking, and I'm just showing you all what I used and how it looked. And as you can see, my knots did not bleach all the way, not to my liking, but I'm going to make it work. So all I'm doing now is applying the wig, and I'm starting from the back. Like I placed the comb underneath my braid, and I just pulled the wig forward. So now all I'm doing is taking my scissors and I'm going to cut down the middle, and I'm just going to cut like different sections on each side. And once I'm finished with that, I'm just taking my razor comb and I'm going to cut off the rest of the lace. And I love using the razor comb to take off, like to cut my lace. Like it looks so much better than using the scissors because I find myself like having like really harsh straight lines. So when I use my razor comb, it come out so much better. So yeah. So today I'm not going to use like no lace glue or anything. I'm going to show you all what I've been using lately, and I've been using this styling gel to lay my lace. Like I really don't like the Got To Be styling gel. Even though I don't have like edges or whatever, I still have like a few little strings, and when I was using that, I noticed that it was just like pulling out what I did have left, okay? And another thing, it was like so hard to remove off the lace. Like honey, I was over it, okay? So I'm just going to show you all how I apply it, and it's so easy to like wash away. You just rinse it like under the water and it's gonna come right off, and you can just reapply it. So I've been using this method lately and it's been working well for me. This hair is very soft. The curl pattern is so pretty. I really like it. I forgot to kind of like define my part a little bit, but yeah, it's okay. So this unit is very easy to maintain. When I washed the hair, all I used was some argan oil and some setting foam mousse, and that was it. That's all the products that I put in this hair. And I just brushed it out and let it air dry, and the curls are gorgeous. Oh, and I forgot to tell you all that I did not cut this hair like at all. It was cut perfect. Like, I love this cut. Love the curl pattern. It's so pretty. It's not too tight. It's not too loose. It's like just right. Tell me down below if you would rock this wig, honey. Okay, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you dolls next time. Bye.